Most of the people get into weight loss process wanting to lose weight. And what is the parameter on which they evaluate everything? It's the weight which it shows on the weighing scale. Now, does the weight alone shows everything about your weight loss, or should we consider something else as well when you are going through the weight loss journey? Because when you start the weight loss process, you will see weight will be decreasing for a couple of days because of water loss, and after some time it will start going up and down. After a few more days, you may see the weight has become constant for a few couple of weeks maybe. If you understand all these things, the whole weight loss journey would be amazing because you would know the science behind why it is happening. Keep watching the video till end. We will be talking about all those things in today's topic, and subscribe the channel if you have not, so that you keep getting the content whenever I upload. Hi everyone, my name is Harishankar, husband of a beautiful and caring woman, father of a wonderful boy, and an IT professional turned entrepreneur weight loss coach. I've been helping a lot of people in terms of their weight loss across the globe. So let's get to the topic directly. Definitely weight, what it shows on the weighing scale, it gives the happiness or the worry. For most of the people, when they see their weight has gone up, they really feel sad, and when the weight is down, they have a smile on their face. Now, does the weight on the weighing scale alone shows the progress of your weight loss? If you understand this question well, you may not have problem during the whole weight loss journey, because if you just look your weight as a progress, it may be tough time for you when you're going through the weight loss process, because your weight would not be falling every single day. Someday you will find that your weight has gone up, someday it has come down, someday it is constant for some period of time. So we will talk about why does it happen. So when you are starting any weight loss process, you start getting into making adjustments in your diet, you start working out. So you should look for changing your body composition as well, because weight is important. What's even more important is how much muscle you have, because muscle take less space than fat. That's why people with good muscle look slimmer, and otherwise other people look fat. So muscles are metabolically more active. When you work out, when you do exercise, your muscle mass increases, your metabolic rate also increases, you burn more fat. But you would see on the weighing scale there is not much change, because your muscle has increased and your fat has decreased. Maybe your muscle has increased more and fat has decreased less. You will find that your weight has increased. So just this reading on the weighing scale should not give you happiness or sorrow. So to check the real measurement of what is happening during your weight loss, along with weighing scale, you can have a BC analyzer, body composition analyzer, which gives you the percentage of fat and percentage of muscle, or maybe the fat, how much kg you have in your body, and how much muscle mass you have along with the water content. So just by saying the weight on the weighing scale does not give you all the details about your weight loss journey. What is happening inside your cells when you are working out? Exercise teaches your body producing more fat burning molecules. So all those things cannot be determined just by seeing the weight on the weighing scale, because when you work out, you see a lot of things happening inside your body. Your strength and endurance and stamina will become better. You will start feeling good. So how would you measure that your progress is happening right? One of the ways is to see the clothes which you are wearing. Most of the times when the weighing scale is not showing much, but still you will see the clothes will start fitting better in your body. It means that your fat is burning, and muscles which is increasing takes very small space in comparison to fat. That is why sometimes you will see the weighing scale is not decreasing, but still you are feeling better. Your energy is high. In terms of energy, it has become better. You feel good. End of the day, you don't feel sleepy. Your sleep pattern has become better. You have a better sleep at night. When you get up in morning, you feel fresh. So these are also different parameters on which we can measure whether things are happening well or not. And one of the parameters which you should never forget is how do you feel when you follow any weight loss process, or you have made changes in your diet, or you have adopted any weight loss program or any workout activity which you are doing. How do you feel end of the day? If you are not feeling good, it means there is something which is not happening in a right way. You definitely should evaluate the process again, and please don't go for any fad diets or someone who commits that overnight you will see success within 1 month, I will help you lose 10 kg. Please don't get into all those traps, because you will end up losing your effort, time and money. So understand that only weighing scale does not give you the right indication of your weight loss process. You have to look into how do you feel. Does your clothes feel better? How is your strength and endurance? How has your sleep quality been? Is has it been better, or how it was, better than how it was before. So there are a lot of parameters which comes into picture, not only the rating on the weighing scale. I hope it made sense to you, and if you like this video, share it to people who are also in the journey of weight loss, so that they don't do this mistake again. Stay happy, stay safe, stay blessed.